बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन. The important concepts of integration by parts is the topic of this lecture. An important advice: we must be harmless. Well, integration by parts is used to integrate product of different functions, ln functions, and inverse of tan functions. These are some examples of integration by parts. To integrate ln functions, inverse of tan functions, and product of different functions, we use integration by parts. Formulae. There are two formulae of integration by parts. For indefinite integrals, use this formula. Indefinite integral means integrals without limits. The formula is uv minus integral v du. For definite integrals, use this formula uv limits ab minus integral limits ab v du. Well, definite integral means integrals with limits. While using integration by parts, we need to select two functions u and dv. For the selection of u, we use the arrangements of the letters of the word liet. In liet, L stands for ln x, I for tan inverse functions, A for algebraic functions, T for trigonometric functions, and E for exponential functions. Let's understand how to select U. So, in this example, we have product of two functions, algebraic and logarithmic. Now we need to check which letter comes first in this word, L or A. See, L comes before A. So this is U. So the letter which comes before or at first, that function would be U. So in this question, U is ln x. In this example, we have product of algebraic and exponential. Now we need to check which letters come first, A or E in liet. See, A comes before E. So the function A, algebraic function, is U in this example. This is U. In this example, we have product of algebraic and inverse of tan, I. So now we need to check which letter comes first in liet. See, L comes before A. I comes before A. We have product of inverse trigonometric and algebraic. See, I comes before A. So the function tan inverse is U. This is U. We just need to check which letter comes first. That letter or that function will always be U. So U is tan inverse 2x in this question. In this example, see, we have just ln x, no product. I told you we use integration by parts to integrate ln functions as well. So since we have just one function and L is always comes first in liet, therefore U is ln x. ln will always be U. Another example. Here we have just inverse of tan. So U is tan inverse. One more example. Let's suppose we have e power x times sine x. Now check which function comes first in liet. This is exponential and this is trigonometry. See, T comes before E in Liet. So this is U. Let U be sin x. This is the way to select U while using integration by parts. For dv, except U and sign of integral, except these two things, everything is dv. See, in Liet, A, this is A and this is L. See, L comes before A. So this is U. Now everything except U and sign of integral is dv. So this x and this dx is dv. So dv is x dx, where u is ln x. So first select u, and then everything except u and sign of integral is always dv. See, this is algebraic and this is exponential. In Liet, algebraic comes first. So u is x square. Therefore, dv is e2x times dx. This is dv. And u is x square. This is the way to select dv. In this example, we have product of algebraic and inverse trigonometric. So check the arrangements of the letter of the words in Liet. See, I comes before A. So this function is u and x dx is dv. So dv is x dx and u is tan inverse 2x. Well, in this example, we have only ln x. So ln is always u. So u is ln x, and this dx, this is dv, because everything except u and sign of integral is dv. So dv is dx. In this example, we have only tan inverse. Tan inverse is always u. So everything except u and sign of integral is dv. So this is dv. This is the way to select u and dv. Well, I will discuss examples of integration by parts in my next lecture. Inshallah. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.